If you're looking for the best gaming controllers to level up your PC gaming experience in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you the most popular models, breaking them down in terms of performance, comfort, design, and price-to-performance ratio. I'll help you figure out which controller is the best fit for you. So let's dive right in. Number 5. GameSir Tarantula Pro. This controller might just change your gaming experience. GameSir has already impressed us with the Kalade, Nova, and X2S Type-C, but with the Tarantula Pro, they're taking things to a whole new level. At first glance, the PS5 DualSense style symmetrical thumbstick layout stands out. But this controller isn't just for PlayStation, it's fully compatible with PC, Nintendo Switch, iOS, and Android, making it one of the rare Switch controllers with a symmetrical stick design. With ultra-durable TMR sensors that eliminate drift issues, quick response trigger stops, and 9 remappable buttons for total customization, the Tarantula Pro is built for serious gamers. Plus, the built-in NFC support on the Nintendo Switch lets you scan amiibo figures for extra in-game content. And thanks to its compact yet sturdy design, it's both portable and super comfortable to hold. Whether you're a competitive player or a casual gamer, the Tarantula Pro delivers big time. But what do you think? Has GameSir finally become a real competitor to the big brands? Let's talk in the comments. Number 4. The Scuf Instinct Pro. Ready to level up your gaming experience? The Scuf Instinct Pro is here to take your gameplay to the next level. Compatible with Xbox Series X, XS, and PC, this controller outperforms the standard Xbox gamepad with its game-changing features. With instant triggers, you'll be able to make every move in a fraction of a second. Switch to the rapid-fire mode and get ahead of your competition. Plus, the rear paddle buttons put control right at your fingertips. You can customize these paddles to fit your style and switch between configurations with a single press. The Scuf Instinct Pro isn't just fast, it's designed to be fully customizable for your perfect fit. With a non-slip grip and interchangeable thumbsticks, you'll experience maximum comfort during every session. Whether you're a competitive player or just in it for fun, this controller has you covered. It's sturdy, ergonomic, and ready to help you make your mark in the gaming world. Are you ready? Let the Scuf Instinct Pro help you stand out. Number 3. Sony DualSense. With DualSense, Sony didn't just make another game controller. They reinvented the way you feel games. Thanks to haptic feedback, you can literally feel every step, every crash, every moment. Whether it's raindrops hitting the ground, tires skidding on the road, or the tension of a bowstring, it's all right at your fingertips. Adaptive triggers take things to the next level, pulling a bowstring or pressing the trigger of a gun. You'll actually feel realistic resistance as if you were holding the real thing. The only downside? Battery life? Yeah, it could be better. But honestly, this controller is so good that you won't want to put it down even when it runs out of charge. Bottom line, the future of gaming is here. DualSense isn't just a controller, it's a gateway to the next generation of gaming. Have you tried the DualSense yet? Number 2. Razer Wolverine V2 Pro. The Razer Wolverine V2 Pro stands out with its high price, but is it really worth all that money? Paying $50 more for Sony's DualSense Edge doesn't seem that appealing when you consider the missing features. The thumbsticks can't be replaced, the thumbstick cap options are limited, and there's no storage case included. Plus, it can't even turn on the PS5, which is pretty annoying, especially considering it's a Sony-licensed controller. That said, the D-pad is great, and the short throw triggers are awesome. It also comes with 2 programmable buttons that are super useful. But overall, the design and general feel don't feel as polished as some of the competition. In the end, the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro has some great features, but its high price and lack of certain features might leave you second-guessing. If design and PlayStation-specific features are a big deal for you, you might want to look for another option. Number 1. Xbox Elite Series 2. Imagine a controller that completely changes your gaming style. What if that controller was the Xbox Elite Series 2? The Xbox Elite Series 2 is way more than just a regular controller. It's designed to completely redefine your gaming experience. With its fully customizable features, it adapts to your playstyle and caters to gamers who demand perfection in every detail. Whether you're making quick shots in FPS games or pulling off precise moves in strategy games, the Xbox Elite Series 2's shortened trigger locks give you instant control. Plus, its ergonomic design keeps your hands comfortable even during long gaming sessions. And with longer battery life, you get to enjoy hours of uninterrupted gameplay. And of course, with fully customizable thumbsticks and D-pad, everything can be tailored to fit your style. With this controller, changing the pace of the game has never been easier. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, you need to try the Xbox Elite Series 2. You'll feel the difference and be one step ahead in every game.